Welcome back to the Mental Picks, and today new topic is going to be how we're fixing damaged returns and what we're doing further on after that. So one example is going to be this piggy toy, which one was returned back from Amazon itself, Amazon FBA. I'm going to show you exactly what the issues is, but this is damaged stuff, which one I'm putting on a side a little bit. And we got another one stuff, which one is Silent Night heated blanket, like we see, just came back in brown box, no original packaging, missing parts basically. Obviously we'll be opening a separate case to get full refund from Amazon, plus I'm gonna sell that on eBay as used or maybe some damaged or maybe without packaging item. I just need to double check conditions and decide what I'm gonna do with that. Problem with this situation, I noticed it straight away, is stuck. This button is not moving, so basically it's stuck, or you need to push it really hard. So most likely it was returned by actual customer by this glitch, let's say, or this some issue on a gadget itself, electronic. So that's the reason why they return it back basically. Problem is obviously actual original box, which one should be like this. This is original state, how it should be looking, but we receive it in this bag, just basically like that. And I'm gonna show you how I'm fixing that stuff, and basically I'm gonna send it back to Amazon FBA or sold on eBay. This item is already sold. And starting with our tools, basic tools is gonna be Huggies, some wet wipes, very easy tool. I think everyone can find that easily, 1 pound, 2 pounds at local stores. We're gonna use for that stuff, which one is required to be cleaned because we got some dirt on it. Like you see, we got some dirt on it, and that's why it was returned back basically from Amazon itself. Maybe Amazon staff members did that by ripping off this bag, or maybe someone else, who knows. So we're gonna fix that. And another one is gonna be tool required knife. Basically, why knife? I'm gonna show you exactly why. Very easy solution. We need to open that part to fix that. And I'm gonna use that for this screws because it's not possible to get actually matching screw itself. So I'm just gonna match with knife itself. Very easy. Just, you know, like simple long knife, and that's it. So I don't know, let's start with basic stuff, which one is this one. Some Huggies wipes, and just, you know, like cleaning stuff. These bits should be coming off very easily because working great condition, and packaging is in good shape too. So that's why I'm gonna reuse that, let's say, again, to ship it to Amazon FBA. It's nothing big, nothing huge, like you see already fixed. Nothing special, it's done. Basically it's done. Nothing left. That's it. I'm gonna bag it, poly bag it, and that's it. It's going back to Amazon FBA. Job done with this one. This part. So because of this stuck condition, I'm gonna unscrew all these bolts, screws, or whatever you're calling that. As you see, it's going really nicely, easily. And last one. And what we got inside, needs to be careful a bit because I'm not sure actually what's inside. Yeah, so a little bit messy is gonna be. All right, what we got? Okay, so we got parts like this. So basically absorbing information what we got in moving parts. If someone got some basic knowledge about constructions or whatever electronic stuff, or you had some experience in life, for you it should be really easy to acknowledge everything, basically all steps, how it works. I don't know, for me it's easy because I'm handyman, let's say, or who's not give to your dad or whatever, you know, like uncle or you know, like grandfather or whatever. And basically, yeah, we got some moving parts in it, looks like loose. Okay, this one I'm putting on the side. Something else moving too, double checking. Okay. And we got parts like this, which one is crazy small. So most likely they've been stuck, these parts, like you see. Wow, so it's very small parts. So we should be holding somehow this rail. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play around a little bit to adjust everything how it should be, I think. I'm not sure is that correct or not, but I'm gonna try to play around, you know, a little bit. So I think it should be that position. Yep, and that ball should be holding that second one part because of the moving parts. So we're gonna try to play around a little bit. It should be, I think, because there is no other options where to put nothing at all. And obviously we got light option. We got some section for the light itself, like you see this bigger hole. So it should be like that, not like that, but like that. And this ball matching in the middle of this rail I should put, I think. So let's try it. I don't know, to close it. So everything in place. I'm not sure it's gonna work from first time or not. But let's try it. And it's stuck already somewhere. Okay, this one is closed, like you see. And this part closed too. Checking. Yep, looks good. Looks good. Maybe a little bit stuck, but it's not closed yet properly. So kind of working. Okay, let's try to put it back quickly. So 2 balls left. Like you see, it's nothing difficult if you, I don't know, got some skills, let's say. Maybe some life skills, let's say, life hacks. Some experience, let's say. Obviously, if you're totally newbie in life, maybe you're 18 years old or whatever, 20 years old, maybe you don't have any experience. You just, you know, like, got some nonsense in life going on. Maybe you should start doing something. I don't know, learning new skills, random ones. Life skills, let's say, which one you can adjust in your life a little bit and have when necessary, let's say, to fix your stuff. Or be broke all your life without any knowledge, without any experience, and depend on other people, basically. Maybe it's easy life, but you need deep pockets, let's say, because everyone requires money for the specific service. And obviously, if you're not capable to fix your stuff, let's say to clean it or fix it, electronics, whatever, find person who can do that for you. Pay him a little bit, something, you know, like extra in a pocket for each fix or what he can fix. And you can, let's say, you got some partnerships on the side, waiting till you getting some, you know, new stuff coming in or coming out. So this one looks like it's done. So I'm gonna try to put it on and see if lights come in, because there was some section, if you remember, empty section for the light itself to check it if it works or not. So I'm gonna do that. Let's take it, actual item itself. I was opening previously bag, and it should be some attachment to actual this heating system. So, and we got this one, like you see, this. And let's start it. So right now nothing, still blank. So let's put it. Bam! Woohoo! Come to Papa! Yeah, baby! Lightweight. This one a little bit stuck. Shit. Not good. What a bastard. This top one. But it's still, let's say it's usable condition. Puts all off. But it's not clicking properly. But it's moving. So it's good. I'm gonna leave for a couple of seconds to double check if it's coming on actually, like heating. I think it should be working because it's really simple settings, very simple stuff. It's nothing complicated to be damaged or whatever. Maybe wirings, you know, cut wirings. Then it's obviously not good. But right now, looks good. Looks good. So this is how you can fix your stuff which one is returned back. This item actually I sold just recently, sold on eBay itself, just a little bit higher than actual what I was purchasing price, because it's refund from Amazon itself. I sold it on eBay for a little bit higher prices. I paid, I think, £9.99, sold about £13. So it's okay. I'm gonna just liquidate that stuff. Plus I'm gonna try to get my refund from actual Amazon itself. Like, I'm gonna play around with these refunds, Amazon refunds. So like I said, get some new skills. If you don't have any skills to fix your stuff, let's say your damaged stuff, which one you can sell on eBay or back on Amazon itself, get some exclusive, let's say, personalities who can fix for you or clean it or fix it. Electronics, especially electronics, is good to have some personalities who can understand how to fix that. Maybe your cousin, maybe your uncle, maybe your father, who knows, maybe your brother, or maybe the best options is you. Just quickly, a couple of minutes, with the screws playing, checking conditions. If it's adjustable, fixable, fix it, send it back, or on eBay. So this is how it looks. And don't forget to join us on private group, Discord group, link down below, where we're sharing online arbitrage leads, retail arbitrage leads, all raw best knowledge in all United Kingdom about eBay and Amazon activities. Highly recommending. And check my other videos on the right side. Till next time.
Look, Ma!